This was one of the issues of the West, right? This was how the snake oil salesmen were able to keep going because they would bounce from town to town.
Right.
However, if you lose your reputation with yourself, if you no longer trust you,
Yep.
I don't keep my own word. I know that I'm not a trustworthy person. I keep making promises to myself and to other people, and I keep on breaking them. I keep doing something that hurts other people or the same person. They don't trust me anymore. And, I don't trust me anymore.